Welcome. Thank you for joining. It's time for my daily review of Nasdaq 100. So today is Tuesday, end of month, March 21st, 2026. So pretty interesting day today. You can see it here. So over here, yesterday, I have marked low of yesterday, the red line close of yesterday. So yesterday was Monday and we started up here. So this was now, it was green line is open of the week. And I also marked high of yesterday, the black line up here. So if we now focus on today's trading range, so we opened gap up, we opened above low of yesterday and close of yesterday, and we were looking up towards high of yesterday and open of the week. And you can see we got resistance, met some resistance up here. So we got a pretty strong bar number 4. It almost reached low of yesterday, and we got a rejection at a second attempt. Bars were getting smaller, and we were rejected and traded all the way back to open of the day. You can see here bar 18, we actually just precisely hit open of the day, and yeah, probably many were going short here, hoping for that we will test lower, test the ranges of yesterday, but instead we got bar number 18, a very small doji, but yeah, if you're taking this trade long and just hold it, you would have made about 500 points. So sometimes small bars can be very important signals. So 19 and strong bar, it had to get some follow through, and in just 3 bars we got all the way up to where we left high of yesterday. So here the bulls or the bears, they try to mark a triple high and they succeed. They get a sell signal and we move down and we get, yeah, maybe it's a 66% retracement. And then market resumes. We get a bar 32, pretty good bar. And yeah, market is hesitating here a bit still. And we have a breakout. We break above, nice breakout bar here, above high of yesterday. And we test back 2 bars. Still, there's a chance that we will go lower, but bears are starting to look left. And you know, when market has tested a number of times in one direction, it needs to test in another direction, and then we get bar 38, very strong bar. So we get a gap. It's a gap bar. It gets continuation, and we stay in this area. Then it gets bars are getting smaller, but we get a small pullback trend. And you know, pullback trends are often very strong, and it just trends up here on the top of the moving average. So all in all, pretty strong bull day. It has had 2 important trading range areas, a breakout and another trading range area. So I would say not that common a picture, because this is a very strong breakout. How many points? Yeah, I could measure it, but we are talking here almost 500. Yes, pretty impressive. Can that be true? Let me just check. Let me just verify. So 100, yeah, 140 points. That's a strong bar. It needs some continuation. So good for the bulls. Let's see what that means on the daily. So here you have it. I've been talking a lot about this trading range on the daily. We broke low. We went back into the range, got a rejection, had an important breakout. It was Thursday last week. Then we got Friday and we broke lower, and then a doji yesterday, and today a very strong pull bar. So what does that mean? Let us just check the weekly. Yeah, I was kind of expecting we would go a little bit lower down here in this area, but there are buyers here. Buyers have stepped in. Let's see what if this means that we will go back into the range and target 25,000 again. We have been in this area for a very long time, or if this is a pullback and we will continue lower later this week. It will be interesting to see. This is all for now, so have a great afternoon or great evening, and see you tomorrow.